We've only got 3 staff, and this machine is enabling us to do more, cut more areas, tidy areas up. It's well worth the money we've spent on it. My name's Jamie Hobson, head greenkeeper at Stocksbridge Golf Club, Sheffield. I've been head greenkeeper here since 2003, roughly 15 and a half years. The golf course has been around here since 1924. Currently started as a 9-hole course. 15 to 20 years on, we were extended to 15 and then eventually up to 18 holes, and that's where we are today. And up here in Stocksbridge, it's a tough test of golf. Very undulating, very steep slopes in areas. The highest point of the golf course, which is roughly 1,000 metres above sea level, we've got a really good 360-degree panoramic view. It's absolutely amazing views from Stocksbridge. It is really good. We've just purchased the Ventrac machine. Had it in stock now for over a month. We've got the contour deck, which is the main item what we wanted with the machine, and also we've got the blower as well. Not quite used it yet, but it will come in handy when time's ready.
Don't really need the blower today. It's been windy.
Quite windy today. Absolutely fabulous finish wherever you're cutting, on flatland, slopes, banks. The machine just travels across side of the hillsides. It'll go up and down the slopes, round bunkers, and you feel really comfortable using the machine. Basically, it's cut down on, I'd roughly say 60 to 70% trimming work. The summer guy, normally we're doing 80 hours a month. We've actually reduced his hours, not because of cost, but basically because we've really cut back on the trimming work due to having this Ventrac machine. So yeah, it's saving us money as well as getting a lot more areas cut. It's really important to have a machine what will tidy areas up on this course. It also reflects our ability as greenkeepers, what we can do, what we can achieve with the right machines for the right job. And this machine is one of the machines what I can recommend to anyone and everyone. Yeah, I just want to say a big thank you to the people who have invented Ventrac. It's going to be a force to be reckoned with, I think, in golf course maintenance.
Anything else?
I'm good.
All right. Perfect.
I'm good.
Thank you.